Hey guys, Matt here from Broken Bits. Today we have another episode of Inside the Workshop, except today we're going outside the workshop. We're heading up to Bowral. Over the last couple of weeks we've been heading up to Bowral to do a shop fit out at a new shop called the Fussy Tart. We were commissioned to do the floors, the countertops, racks and shelving. They also stock some of our items like serving platters, chopping boards and tables. Well, after a couple of weeks hard work, Fussy Tart's now open in the High Street Arcade in Bowral. As you can see, it's stocked with some awesome items made by local artisans. My favourite's the boards, but I'm biased. So we're finished up here, the shop's open. Come into the Fussy Tart, High Street Arcade Bowral, say good day to Natasha and pick yourself up a one-of-a-kind item.